Hello everyone, I hope you are good. So in this video I will tell you, if your Bluetooth is not working, means not connecting to your AirPods, earbuds or any other device. So I will tell you solution. Let's see. I will try, because my Bluetooth is not working right now. So you have to you you can see. So I will connecting to my device, but it's not working. So now I'm gonna tell you a very quick and very easy solution. So you have to open your settings and then go down, click on general management, and then click on reset. After that you have to click on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So then you click on reset setting. Your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi setting will be reset, and your password will be removed from your current status according to your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So in this way you can fix your all problems if you are facing in Bluetooth or Wi-Fi not connecting to your device. So I hope you got it. If you are struggling to find out solution, got it. Thanks for watching.